Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about Inspire Awards. Now, my name is O Sampath, working in TWRJC Banswara. So, already in our school, we done this program, Inspire Awards, last year. So, just I will give some more details about Inspire Awards. See here, I'm sharing my screen. See here, Inspire Awards. Actually, it is conducting by National Innovation Foundation India. So inspire nothing but innovation in science pursued for inspired research and Monarch Million Minds augmenting national aspiration and knowledge. So every year they are conducting this program. See some important information about Inspire. Inspire Award here you see here class 6 to 10, 10 to 15 years for that Inspire Award. Of course, they are conducting different Inspire internship, Inspire scholarship, Inspire fellowship, Inspire faculty. So now we need this Inspire Award for class 6 to 10 and 10 to 15 years. So this is some more details about this Inspire Awards Monarch. What is Inspire Awards Monarch? An initiative to foster a culture of innovation and creative thinking among school students to address the societal and need through science and technology. Especially, what is the objective of this Inspire? Attract talent, have them exposed to science at an early age, 10 to 15 years or standard 6 to 10, and help towards building a critical human resource pool for strengthening and expanding the science and technology system and increase the research and development base. So, see here, Inspire Award Monarch aligns with action plan for Startup India initiative launched by the Honorable Prime Minister of India. So we have to quick click on this. Nothing but they will give that support also rupees 10,000 for each student if you are selected. They are inviting that nominations from all schools all over country. They will process that all ideas. See you. School level, district level, and state level. That the process will go on. So we have to give our ideas by this http www.inspireawards.district.gov.in through web link we have to give. So almost they are taking 1 lakh ideas. 1 lakh ideas they are taking. So they are conducting workshops also. I think you are able to see all this. Our Honorable President Ramnath Kovind along with students. So just see some more details about this. Frequently asked questions. So what is the objective of this Inspire nothing but promote research and innovation among young students. Target group class 6 to 10, 10 to 15 years. School all the schools of country are eligible irrespective of central and state board affiliation. So 2 to 3 nominations from each school every year. So last time we given 5 nominations from our school. So see here award money is 10,000. So for this every student they have to take separate bank account on his name. Then only if they are selected, they can directly send that money to your bank account. Selection procedure series. So jury is there, so they will select. So finally they will select 60 top 60. So in next video I will explain about small ideas, how they are created, and all the things. Thank you.